fourth floor of the hostel, which is my favorite floor. It's the big hangout floor. So this room is like a lounge room. You've got a map of all of Thailand, so you can plan the rest of your stay in the country. You got a free computer that's hooked up to the internet for people not lugging a laptop around, so you can check your email, book flights, get on Facebook, do anything you want. And if you need to print out anything, you can send an email to reception and they'll print it for you free of charge. And you can just also hang out. These cushions are super comfy, so you can just read a book, take a nap, relax to your heart's content. And if it gets a little steamy in here for you, you can go to my favorite room, which is the air-conditioned room and kitchen. So you have a TV screen, so you can play some movies. Currently playing The Beach, which is a really popular movie about Thailand. You can also hook up your phone to the speaker, play some music, and there's also Nintendo Wii if you want to get some gaming on. And this is the kitchen area. There's actually all-day breakfast and snacks, so you don't need to worry about what time you wake up. Actually woke up at 2 p.m. the other day, so this was a saving grace for me. So instant noodles, cereal, coffee, tea, condiments, bananas, there's bread, fruit, everything.